Hey y'all, welcome back to Organic Homesteaders. Today we're going to look at the world of container gardening. It's an unmatched way to express your creativity while producing wholesome organic food. Container gardening has taken the world by storm, especially urban gardening, as a space-efficient and versatile way to grow plants. But as you'll see, gardeners everywhere will love the ability to move plants, customize designs, and garden in unconventional ways. Be sure to visit the link in the description to see our article about specific garden tips that will increase your bounty. But this video is all about the style. Check out these 15 glorious container gardening ideas and a few bonuses at the end to express your creativity in your homestead garden, on your balcony, or on your patio. Let your imagination run wild and share your own ideas with our community in the comments section. Number 1. Old teapots. Imagine a row of blooming flowers sprouting from vintage teapots with complementing colors. Their compact size is also perfect for small plants or to serve as an herb garden. The built-in spouts provide excellent drainage for healthy growth. Number 2. 5-gallon buckets. Repurposed buckets offer ample space for larger plants and vegetables, making them ideal for container gardening. Their sturdy material and built-in handles make them easy to move, while upcycling them reduces waste and adds a rustic functional charm to your garden. Number 3. Old boots and shoes. Quickly make a quirky, eye-catching planter that brings personality to your garden while giving new life to worn-out footwear. Their deep soles provide excellent drainage, and they're perfect for small flowers or succulents that thrive in compact spaces. Number 4. Distressed wheelbarrows. A distressed wheelbarrow, metal or wood, provides a spacious and mobile planter, perfect for creating a mini garden that can be easily relocated for optimal sunlight. Its deep basin provides ample space for soil, giving plants room to grow while adding a rustic charm to your garden setup. Number 5. Wooden crates. Repurposed wooden crates provide excellent airflow and drainage, creating a healthy environment for your plants to thrive. Their rustic look adds character to any garden space, and their spacious design allows for growing a variety of plants or even creating layered herb gardens. And you can easily make these wooden garden containers DIY from reclaimed wood pallets. Number 6. Galvanized metal tubs. Durable and weather-resistant, old metal tubs are perfect for long-lasting container gardens. Their large size provides plenty of space for deeper-rooted plants, while the rustic industrial look adds unique character. Number 7. Recycled plastic bottles. Plastic milk jugs and soda bottles are excellent to repurpose for seed starting, growing small plants, or hanging as a vertical garden. They can also be used as mini greenhouses to cover plants in the colder seasons. Lightweight, easy to customize, and using them helps reduce plastic waste. Number 8. Old sinks and bathtubs. This is a creative, eco-friendly way to upcycle discarded household items. These durable containers provide ample space for growing flowers, vegetables, or herbs, while their drainage holes make them ideal for plants. Repurposing them reduces waste and adds a quirky vintage charm. Number 9. Used tires. Tires are ideal for container gardening because their sturdy structure provides a durable and weather-resistant home for plants. Their circular shape allows for creative, stackable designs, making them a good fit for vertical gardens or raised beds while reducing waste through upcycling. Number 10. Rain gutters. Using rain gutters is a creative and space-efficient gardening solution, perfect for small areas like balconies or patios. By mounting gutters on walls or fences, you can grow shallow-rooted vegetables like lettuce, spinach, or herbs. The setup allows for easy watering and drainage, and it helps keep plants off the ground, reducing the risk of pests. Number 11. Hanging baskets. A group of hanging baskets is perfect for small gardens or patios while creating a lush, cascading display of flowers or herbs. They provide excellent air circulation and give your garden a fresh, elevated look. Another creative option is old colanders, which are cheap at garage sales and thrift shops. Number 12. Aged terracotta pots. They are perfect for container gardening because their porous nature allows for better air and water flow, promoting healthy plant roots. Their weathered look adds a timeless, natural aesthetic to any garden space, blending beautifully with greenery. Number 13. Fabric grow bags. You can even reuse shopping bags. Excellent aeration and drainage from these bags will promote healthier root systems and prevent overwatering in container gardening. Lightweight, easy to move, and can be reused season after season. They're a versatile and eco-friendly option for any garden setup. Number 14. Specialized vertical gardening containers. Wall-mounted planters, tiered hanging containers, or stackable garden planters allow you to grow a variety of plants in a compact area, while also creating a striking visual effect. These containers are especially great for strawberries, beans, and lettuce. Number 15. Self-watering containers. Set it and forget it. For those who don't have the time to tend to their plants daily, a more high-tech solution is to purchase self-watering containers, or go DIY. They can be a literal lifesaver. And here are a few bonuses for eye-catching gardens. Pick your aesthetic, or mix and match for eclectic combos that are all your own. Go modern minimalist, or match your garden containers to a specific color or style theme. You can go decorative by painting terracotta pots in bold colors or intricate patterns. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or even small trees, container gardening offers a flexible, accessible way to create your own green oasis, no matter the size of your space. So grab a container, get planting, and see where your creativity takes you. Happy gardening, and thank you for visiting Organic Homesteaders.